Hello, students. Have you ever held a dry seed in your hand and thought it was just a tiny lifeless object? In reality, that seed contains a living embryo, but it's asleep in a state we call dormancy. During dormancy, the seed looks inactive, but deep inside, slow chemical activities continue, keeping the embryo alive. This pause is nature's survival strategy. Seeds can wait through harsh summers or freezing winters until the right moment to grow arrives. Isn't it fascinating how life hides in silence, only to awaken when the world outside becomes favorable? And when that magical moment comes, the seed begins to germinate. Germination is the process where the dormant embryo comes alive, begins to divide and grow, and transforms into a seedling. First, the root, or radicle, emerges to anchor the plant and search for water. Then, the tiny shoot, the plumule, pushes upward toward light, ready to perform photosynthesis. In short, germination is life's first visible spark in a new plant's journey. But what triggers this miracle? The first key is water. Seeds absorb water mainly through a small opening called the micropyle. This softens the seed coat, allowing the radicle to break through. Water also dissolves stored food inside the cotyledons or endosperm, making it available for the embryo. Enzymes are then activated, breaking down starch into sugar, the fuel for growth. Without water, germination simply cannot begin. Now imagine trying to wake up on a freezing winter morning or under the blazing summer sun. It's tough, isn't it? Seeds feel the same way. Temperature plays a crucial role in germination. If it's too cold, metabolic reactions slow down. If it's too hot, enzymes may be destroyed. The sweet spot, or optimum temperature, is usually between 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. That's why farmers carefully choose planting seasons. They know seeds need the right warmth to spring into life. Of course, no life can continue without oxygen. During germination, the growing embryo needs a constant supply of oxygen for aerobic respiration. This process releases energy in the form of ATP, the energy currency of cells, which powers rapid cell division and elongation. Seeds planted too deep in soil may fail because oxygen cannot reach them. Proper soil aeration is therefore essential for healthy germination. Have you ever wondered why not every seed you plant grows into a plant? Seeds can fail to germinate for many reasons. Some are sown too deep, cutting off their oxygen supply. Others may rot in waterlogged soil. Weak embryos might lack the strength to push through soil layers. And sometimes, extreme environmental conditions, too hot, too cold, or too dry, prevent growth. Nature is selective, ensuring only the fittest seeds grow into strong plants. So, let's bring it all together. Germination is the journey from a silent, dormant embryo to an active, growing seedling. It needs water to activate enzymes, temperature to drive metabolism, and oxygen to fuel respiration. This beautiful process is nature's way of ensuring continuity of plant life. Next time you see a tiny sapling sprouting in your garden, remember, it all began with the quiet awakening of a seed. Biology truly shows us the miracle of life in every grain and seed around us. Until our next class, keep observing these little wonders in nature because they tell the biggest stories of life.